Understanding Wi-Fi Strength. A guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a term that's very common in our digital world: Wi-Fi strength. Understanding this concept is not just about learning new words, but also about connecting with the technology around us. Let's dive in. Wi-Fi is a technology that allows devices like smartphones, computers, and tablets to connect to the internet wirelessly. It's a crucial part of our daily lives, enabling us to browse the web, stream videos, and stay connected with friends and family. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity, and it operates through a wireless network. The term Wi-Fi strength refers to the quality of your wireless internet connection. It is determined by several factors, including the distance from the Wi-Fi router, obstacles like walls, and interference from other devices. Strong Wi-Fi means a faster and more reliable internet connection, while weak Wi-Fi can lead to slow speeds and disconnections. Wi-Fi strength is usually measured in signal bars on your device or in decibels, dBm. More bars indicate a stronger connection. If you're experiencing problems with your internet, checking the Wi-Fi strength is a good first step. Many devices also have settings where you can see the exact strength in dBm. If you find that your Wi-Fi strength is weak, there are several things you can do. Move closer to the Wi-Fi router. Remove obstacles that might block the signal. Restart the router to refresh the connection. Consider using a Wi-Fi extender or mesh system to boost the signal in larger areas. In today's world, having a strong Wi-Fi connection is essential for many activities, such as online learning, working from home, streaming entertainment, and more. Understanding and managing your Wi-Fi strength can significantly improve your online experience. Thank you for joining us today to learn about Wi-Fi strength. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding this important aspect of our digital lives. Stay connected and happy learning.